case that we have been retained on. Don McComas has retained our firm to pursue claims against the city of Rohnert Park and the Rohnert Park Police Department. This is a case that has captured the attention of hundreds of thousands of people across the world. And the reason it's captured their attention is because they can only imagine that it could happen to them. And we're here to tell you and to tell the public, to tell the city of Rohnert Park that enough is enough and it has to stop, and it is going to stop. Families should not have to live in fear that they will be hurt by law enforcement. Yet what we have here is a situation where an individual who was in his driveway, hitching his boat, not doing anything other than minding his own business, had an example of what we are trying to prevent, and that has been across the nation an issue that has been brought to bear. What we plan on doing is filing a claim for violation of civil rights and other actions against the city of Rohnert Park and the Rohnert Park Police Department. And in doing so, what we intend to show is that it is not enough to say we are reviewing the situation. It is not enough to say that we take it seriously. It is not enough to say that we are following protocol. What we're saying is that no more. No more police harassment. No more guns that are used unnecessarily. No more threatening of the private citizen for no reason at all. And what makes this particular case so poignant is that Mr. McComas lived. He survived this. He can tell the tale. And we're going to tell that tale. And we're going to tell that tale in front of a jury. And a jury is going to make a decision as to whether or not, in fact, this has to stop. I'm here to take questions. Jaron Beck is also here, who will be involved in the case. And what we wanted also to ask of you, very, very succinctly and politely, is to respect the privacy of this family. Mr. McComas is under medical attention right now. This is a situation, as you can see, that has affected him personally. And we would ask you to direct all your questions from here on out to our firm, and we will make you knowledgeable of the progress as it goes along. Any questions?
Mr. McComas said, like, multiple times that he didn't do anything wrong. If he didn't do anything wrong, why didn't he just pull his hand out of his jacket?
In fact, he did. And in fact, he not only did that, but the hand that you're seeing up there is the hand that wasn't in his pocket. And not only that, he put his cell phone on the hood of the vehicle in order to show there was nothing in his pocket. If you will look at that police officer where he has his hands and where that is assuming the position, that is a position of assault. Mr. McComas did nothing to deserve that position. And as the police officer said, in fact, he did do nothing. So our position is that we have a clear abuse, and we're going to pursue it to its claim and to its trial.